New to Stella is the ability to flip distinct pieces of structure. If, for instance, I were to take for the closing the gap assembly and add it to my model, and let's say I wanted to change the orientation of the structure. Let's say that I wanted the condition and the condition goal to be on the left and the time to adjust the condition to be on the right. I could select the structure, right-click, flip selection, left to right, or right-click, flip selection, top to bottom. This allows you to reorient individual pieces of structure into any direction that you want. This also works with stocks. So if I add an aging chain to my model, I can select this structure, right-click, flip top to bottom, and now you see that all of the times are on the top. Or I can right-click, flip left to right, and the direction of flow has now changed.